Chap. Nebivolol Valsartan. Detailed explanation. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name. The generic name identifies the active ingredients in the medication. Nebivolol Valsartan. These two drugs work through different pathways to lower blood pressure. Drug class. Nebivolol, third-generation BEAT1 selective beta blocker. Primarily affects the heart, causes less bronchoconstriction than non-selective beta blockers. Unique among beta blockers because it promotes nitric oxide release, producing vasodilation. Valsartan, angiotensin II receptor blocker, ARB, blocks the effects of angiotensin II, a hormone that narrows blood vessels and increases blood pressure. Brand name, Bivalsan. Other brands may vary depending on country and manufacturer. Dosage forms, oral tablets, fixed dose combinations to improve patient compliance, usually taken once daily. Definition. Nebivolol Valsartan is a combination antihypertensive medicine used for long-term management of hypertension. Why combine these drugs? High blood pressure is controlled through several body systems. 1. The heart's pumping action. 2. Blood vessel tone. 3. Kidney regulation of fluid and salt. Nebivolol primarily acts on the heart, while Valsartan acts on blood vessels and kidneys. Combining them provides better blood pressure reduction than either drug alone. Number 3. Mechanism of action, MOA, Nebivolol mechanism, beta-1 receptor blockade. Normally, adrenaline stimulates beta-1 receptors, causing faster heart rate, stronger heart contractions, increased blood pressure. Nebivolol blocks these receptors, leading to slower heart rate, reduced cardiac workload, reduced oxygen demand. Nitric oxide release. Nebivolol stimulates endothelial nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes vascular smooth muscle, dilates blood vessels, improves blood flow, lowers peripheral resistance. This property distinguishes nebivolol from many older beta blockers. Valsartan mechanism. Renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS. Normally, kidneys release renin, angiotensin I, angiotensin II. Angiotensin II causes vasoconstriction, aldosterone release, sodium retention, water retention. Valsartan blocks AT1 receptors and prevents these effects. Result, vasodilation, reduced blood volume, lower blood pressure. Combined effect. Nebivolol reduces cardiac output while Valsartan reduces vascular resistance. Together they lower systolic BP, lower diastolic BP, reduce cardiovascular workload, improve blood pressure control. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug. A. Absorption. Nebivolol, rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Food has little effect on absorption. Valsartan, absorbed after oral administration. Peak concentration reached within 2 to 4 hours. B. Distribution. Nebivolol, highly protein-bound, 98%, widely distributed throughout tissues. Valsartan, protein binding approximately 95%, mostly remains in circulation. C. Metabolism. Nebivolol, extensively metabolized in the liver, mainly through CoA2D6 enzyme. Patients may be extensive metabolizers, poor metabolizers. Poor metabolizers may experience higher drug levels. Valsartan undergoes very little metabolism. Most drug remains unchanged. D. Elimination. Nebivolol, excreted through urine and feces. Valsartan, primarily eliminated in bile and feces. Smaller amount eliminated by kidneys. Number 5. Uses. Primary use. Hypertension. Long-term blood pressure control. Benefits include prevention of stroke, prevention of heart attack, prevention of kidney damage, prevention of heart failure. Additional benefits may help reduce cardiovascular risk, improve vascular function, protect organs from hypertension-related damage. Number 6. Indications. The drug is prescribed when monotherapy fails. Example, a patient taking only Valsartan still has BP of 150/95 ml/h. Adding nebivolol can improve control. Severe hypertension. Patients requiring 2 mechanisms of action for adequate control. Existing dual therapy patients already taking nebivolol separately, Valsartan separately, can be switched to one combination tablet. Number 7. Contraindications. A contraindication means the drug should not be used. Absolute contraindications. Severe bradycardia, heart rate already very low, 50 BPM. Nebivolol may further slow the heart. Sudden heart block, 2nd or 3rd degree AV block without pacemaker. Nebivolol may worsen conduction abnormalities. Cardiogenic shock, heart cannot pump effectively. Beta blockers may worsen shock. Pregnancy. Valsartan can damage fetal kidneys, cause fetal death, cause low amniotic fluid. Hypersensitivity. Previous allergic reaction to Nebivolol Valsartan. Formulation components. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Diabetes. Nebivolol may mask symptoms of hypoglycemia, tremors, palpitations, rapid heartbeat. Patients should monitor blood glucose carefully. Asthma and COPD. Although selective nebivolol may still cause bronchospasm, worsen breathing difficulties, use cautiously. Kidney disease. Valsartan may increase serum creatinine, alter kidney function. Monitoring is required. Liver disease. Nebivolol metabolism occurs in the liver. Patients may require lower doses, careful monitoring. Elderly, more susceptible to orthostatic hypotension, falls, bradycardia. Number 9, how to use administration. Take once daily. Can be taken with or without food. Swallow whole. Do not crush unless advised. Consistency. Take at the same time every day. Examples: 8 a.m. daily, after breakfast daily. Regular timing improves effectiveness. Number 10, dosing information. Initial dose. Common starting dose. Nebivolol 5 mg, Valsartan 80 mg once daily. Dose titration. Physician may increase dose after 2 to 4 weeks if BP remains elevated, drug is well tolerated. Special populations, elderly, start with lower effective dose when appropriate. Renal impairment. Dose adjustment may be necessary. Hepatic impairment may require lower doses or avoidance. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If remembered within a few hours, take immediately. If close to next dose, skip missed dose. Never double dose, take extra tablets. Overdose. Nebivolol toxicity may cause severe bradycardia, AV block, heart failure, cardiogenic shock. Valsartan toxicity may cause profound hypotension, dizziness, syncope. Emergency treatment may include IV fluids, cardiac monitoring, supportive care. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking sudden withdrawal. Stopping beta blockers abruptly can cause rebound hypertension, angina, arrhythmias, myocardial infarction in high-risk patients. Dose should be tapered gradually. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects. Dizziness occurs because BP falls. Fatigue, related to reduced heart rate and cardiac workload. Headache, usually transient during initiation. Nausea, mild gastrointestinal discomfort. Serious side effects. Bradycardia signs, weakness, fatigue, dizziness, fainting. Hyperkalemia symptoms, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, numbness. Angioedema symptoms, swelling of lips, tongue swelling, difficulty breathing. Medical emergency. Number 14, vital information, monitoring parameters. Healthcare providers monitor blood pressure target often 140 to 90 beat, sometimes 130, 80 mm depending on patient factors, heart rate, usually maintained above 55 to 60 BPM. Kidney function tests, serum creatinine, BUN, EGFR. Potassium valsartan may increase potassium levels. Number 15, other drugs will affect Nebivolol Valsartan. Calcium channel blockers examples, verapamil, diltiazem, may cause excessive bradycardia, heart block. NSAIDs examples, ibuprofen, naproxen. Reduce BP lowering effect, worsen kidney function. Potassium products can increase risk of hyperkalemia, cardiac arrhythmias. Anti-diabetic drugs, nebivolol may mask hypoglycemia symptoms. 16. Drug comparison characteristic, nebivolol valsartan, acts on heart, yes, no, slows heart rate, yes, no, vasodilation, yes, kidney protection, limited, strong, hyperkalemia risk, low, moderate, bradycardia risk, moderate, minimal. Why combination is better? Targets multiple mechanisms, greater BP reduction, lower risk of treatment failure, improved patient adherence. Number 17, patient teaching, lifestyle changes. Patients should reduce sodium intake, exercise regularly, stop smoking, maintain healthy body weight, limit alcohol. Home monitoring check, blood pressure, pulse rate. Record readings for follow-up visits. Cash safety advice. Seek medical attention if pulse becomes very slow, severe dizziness occurs, fainting occurs, swelling of face tongue develops, breathing difficulty occurs. Pregnancy counseling. Women of childbearing age should inform healthcare provider if pregnancy is planned. Stop the medication only under medical supervision if pregnancy occurs. Key examination point. Nebivolol lowers blood pressure by selective BEAT1 blockade and nitric oxide-mediated vasodilation, whereas valsartan lowers blood pressure by blocking angiotensin II AT1 receptors. Their combination provides additive antihypertensive effects with improved blood pressure control compared with either drug alone. Thank you. Have a nice day.